Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. Dear students, as you know that the school is closed due to cold wave and chill weather, so we do care for you and your study. Therefore, to keep you updated for the upcoming examination, I am here with revisional videos of subject social study. So students watch the videos and practice the notes of exercises at home regularly that is given in your WhatsApp group. So my dear students, our today's topic is chapter number 6, My School from your textbook. So my dear students, in the explanation of this chapter, you studied about your school and the different people who work in a school. And so students, what do we do at school? Why do we go to school? We go school to learn new things every day. And in this chapter, you know the importance of school. Now, let's begin the chapter. So first of all, here an activity is given. So let's discuss about it. Let's draw a picture of our school. So my dear students, here you have to draw a picture of your school. So the things that you need to do this activity are chart paper, pencil, colored pencil and eraser. You can use crayons also. Now students, how to do it? Take the piece of chart paper. Now try to draw a picture of your school. When it is done, help your teacher put it up on the wall. So students, in the given picture, this is a picture of school. So you also have to draw a picture of your school and color it. Now students, summing up. So in this chapter, what we learn, let's discuss about in briefly. We come to school to learn new things. So students, why do we come to school? We come to school to learn new things. Next one, there are students, teachers, a principal and some helpers in every school. So students, in school there are different type of people like students, teacher, a principal and some helpers. Different students study in different classes in a school. So students, in school different students study in different classes. Not all the students study in same classes. They study according to their age group. Now classroom, the library, the playground, the staff room and the principal office are some of the different parts of a school building. So students, in a school building there are different parts like classrooms, the library, the playground and the staff room and the principal office. We learn many things in school. We learn how to read and write, to do maths and to draw, paint, sing and dance. We also learn good manners. So students, in our school we learn many things such as how to read and write and how to do the maths, how to solve the sums and how to draw, paint, sing and dance. And the main thing that we learn from school is good manners. Now last one is we have fun at school. So everyone have fun at school. Now exploring new words. So students, here 4 word meaning from this chapter is given here. Classroom. So meaning for classroom is a room in which teacher teach a group of students. So students, what is classroom? A room in which teachers teach you in a group. Now, principal. So principal is the head of a school. Library, a room with many books. We can read books sitting here or borrow the book to read at home. You can say that library is a collection of books. Now, playground, a big open place where children play, run or exercise. Now, let's work out. Question number first. Mark the following sentences as true or false. First one is, a school has only teachers and students. So students, as you know that in school there are different types of people who work, such as students, teacher, principal and some helpers. So according to this statement is false, because schools don't have only teachers and students. So this statement is false and you have to write here false. Now next one is, in a school all students study in the same class. So this statement is also false, because different students study in different classes in a school. So second one is also false. Now third, a school library has many books. So this statement is true. So you have to write here true. Now fourth one, in a school we only learn to read and write. So students, this statement is also false, because in school we learn many things such as how to read and write, to do maths and draw, paint, sing and dance, and also good manners. So this statement is also false. So you can write here false. Now students, let's come to the question number second. Choose the correct answer. So as you know that in this type of question, there are three options given here in each question and you have to choose the correct answer. So let's start question number first. When the teachers are not teaching, they sit in the, options are classroom, staff room or principal's office. So students, when the teachers are not teaching, they sit in the staff room. So option number B is correct answer, that is staff room. Second question, in school children play in the, so my dear students, options are classroom, library or playground. So students, where do you play in your school, at your school? Yes, playground. So option number C is correct for this question. Now third, in art class students learn to read, do maths or draw. So here correct option will be option number C, draw. In art class students learn to draw. Now question number third, answer the following questions. So students, why do we go to school? We go to school to learn new things. So this is the answer of first question. Second one is, name the different people who work in a school. So students, there are students, teachers, a principal and some helpers who work in a school. Next, name the different parts of a school building. So students, the different parts of a school building are classrooms, the library, the playground, the staff room and the principal's office. Now question number 4, what do you learn in school? So students, in school we learn many things such as how to read and write, to do maths, to draw, paint, sing and dance. So this was the answer of the following question. So you have to write and practice the answer of this question by the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group. Now students, enrichment corner. Write a few sentences about your school. So students, here you have to write a few sentences about your school. Like, what is the name of your school? So students, what is the name of your school? Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is the name of your school. Now, how many students are there in your class? So students, as you know that there are 51 students in your class. So you can write here, there are 51 students in my class. What do you like the most about your school? So students, here you can write what you like most about your school. So you have to complete this work in your PC copy. Now, given below is a picture of a school bus. Complete the picture by showing the driver and the children sitting in the bus. Then color the picture. So students, here you have to complete the picture of school bus that is given here. You have to complete this picture by showing the driver and the children sitting in the bus. Here you have to draw a picture of driver and here students. Picture of students. Then you have to color this picture to complete this activity. So students, this activity is already done in your class time. So I hope you do it very easily. So students, now you have to practice all the exercises and notes regularly that is given in your WhatsApp group, because you have to update it for your upcoming examination. And don't forget to learn all the exercises with word meaning. Now, I hope you understood all the exercises very clearly by the help of this video. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.